I want to talk to you about these cooking videos that I've been making online. The reason why I've been making these videos, and a lot of people have been saying that hey, I really like the videos, what you're doing, but they don't understand why I am doing what I'm doing. In the beginning of 2022, I had a set of medical issues that hit me all at once. I began to get sick to the point where I knew something serious was happening to me. I ended up being rushed to the hospital. I had congestive heart failure. That led to my kidneys failing, which put me on dialysis. I had liver failure. All of this happened at once, which put me in a coma. It took about a month to come out of the coma. I only thought it was a few days, but once I realized, when my family started telling me what had happened, I was trying to figure out what the hell was I doing? I was in a coma. When I started to recover, everything was going great, really good, until I ended up in the hospital again, this time with type 2 diabetes. This was a year of hell. I'm not kidding you, it was horrible. It's been horrible.
This was my life. It is hard for me to look at this without becoming over emotional like I am. I can't help it. This is traumatizing to me, where my body cannot heal itself, cannot work its magic and do the things it's supposed to do. I didn't do drugs, I didn't do alcohol. I just ate really poorly. And while I was going through, as I was recovering, my wife kept telling me, you can beat this. You can get off all of these medications eventually. But you have to change the way you eat. You have to change your nutritional values. And that is the most important thing.
When I started to recover, I realized I had to make a change. In order to fix my body to the way it needs to be, there was one thing I needed to do. I needed to change what I ate. This was a matter of life or death. I had no choice. Here's something interesting that led me to me doing this cooking series. As I was recovering, I was online looking at other people's videos that they were making about vegan foods and Mediterranean foods and different types of fish recipes, juicing and all of that stuff. And there's a whole world out there that I had no idea. I was actually watching these people doing these videos, and I would take their recipes down. As I watched the video, I would make the food that they were preparing, and it was delicious. And I got excited, and what I decided to do, I started videotaping myself making food so I could show my wife, my sisters, I could show my kids. Look what Dad's doing. Dad's healthy. The food was the single most important thing, because without the nourishment, I could not have gotten in the pool to do laps. I could not have gone on the treadmill. I could not do biking. I could not lift weights. I could not do leg work. It was all about the food. And I thought to myself, with all this knowledge that I've learned over the past 2.5 years, almost 3 years, why don't I share it with other people that have the same ailments that I do? I can help you take back your life. I can't begin to tell you how happy I am and how blessed I am to have been given a second lease on life, and I plan to make this one a good one. Not only am I doing a bunch of these videos, and they're all over the place. They're on TikTok, I've got them on Instagram, I have them on Facebook, I have them on Twitch, I've got them everywhere. But the main place where they're all going to be going is onto YouTube. YouTube, that's where I'm going. Now, what else can I do besides just the cooking videos? I'm having a blast doing these cooking videos. But I also want to expand a little bit more and do some knowledge-based videos, some live streams, and have real conversations with real nutritionists, holistic people, and people who just have all these crazy good videos online. I want to meet these people. I want to talk to them. I want to interview them. I want you to meet them. But if you are interested in improving the quality of your life through nutrition, follow me. Follow my page. Subscribe to YouTube. Like my content. Talk to me. I will answer you. I will respond to you. I will respond to anybody because it is my new mission. It's my new goal in life to make sure that I am spreading my knowledge to other people in need. When I needed it the most, there were people out there online that were sharing their content with me because these people are saving my life through the knowledge that they have. Please go to my YouTube page. Please like and follow. Subscribe to my YouTube page. I hope life treats you kind. Try to eat healthy. Learn about nutrition. Take small steps. If I can do it, you can do it. Cooking with Richie? YouTube. Like, follow, subscribe. Thank you.